Hello binary traders, hope you are doing well. Today, I'm sharing some trades with you. I hope you enjoy the video and gain useful knowledge. This is the gold chart, and the overall market is in a downtrend. By using trend lines, we can clearly see that price is respecting the downside direction. Inside the main trend line, we also draw small internal trend lines. These smaller trend lines help us save time, find better and faster entries, trade in the direction of the main trend. Trading with the trend improves accuracy and reduces risk. Always remember, trend is your friend. Practice these concepts on a demo account before using real money. It's a close win. Just believe in your concept and strategy. Every trader fails many times, losses are part of the game. But discipline and proper money management are what protect you and help you become profitable over time. In this trade, we took a down position based on strong confirmation from trend lines, the white lines. The candle needs to close 80 to 85% below the trend line to confirm seller strength. Now let's wait for the result and enjoy the trade. Nice win. Once again, we took a down trade based on the Trendline concept. If you look at the previous candle wick, it clearly shows seller pressure, pushing the market to the downside. This confirms weakness from buyers and strength from sellers. Let's wait for the result and enjoy the trade. I recommend practicing this strategy on a demo account first. It's a simple and effective concept when used with discipline and patience. If you are struggling or need guidance, feel free to contact me on my Telegram channel, linked in my profile. Going again with the downtrend, and it's a super win. We followed the trend and trusted the setup. See you in the next video. For now, take care and best of luck in your trading chart increasing.